That's all. In this video I will tell you how to voice monitor the car. Input the passwords, log in the app. Okay, wait. Unlock, lock, unlock. Now it means app is working now. App is working now. Now I will test the voice monitoring. This is voice monitoring icon. Full icon. Click icon. Wait. Monitor call. Input this mobile number.
号手机号
13510257499. This is mobile number. Set. Please wait a moment. And this mobile number failed because this signal keeps on. Light must be blink slowly. Yes. GPS LED is blinking fastly. It means it is searching the signal. Now it is working now normally. Okay. Set. Please wait. Yes. Wait. Yes. You got phone number. You got a phone number from this SM card number. This number is this SM card number. It means successful setting. If you want to monitor the car, you need to click the green icon. Yes. Free. Speak. Yeah. Bass. Yes. Hello, cardot. Hello, cardot. Yes. Now you can monitor. Hello, cardot. Hello. Yes, I can hear. Hello. Click the desk. Yes, good. Thank you. It's easy to monitor the car. Thank you. Bye bye.